We just received some fantastic feedback with a glowing 5-star review. And now comes the fun part, sharing it with you. We're happy to say this is just one of many. This is one of our favourites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. Let us help you with our excellent service backed by our years of experience. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. Thank you for dropping in today. We are looking forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.